Activist, author, and granddaughter to Nelson Mandela, Zoleka Mandela was laid to rest today on the 29th of September 2023 at the Bryanston Methodist Church, and her funeral, you guys, is full of a drama as an online publication which is called Zimoja has already reported that Zoleka Mandela had a journal in which she had written a list of people she did not want to attend her funeral, you guys. Now, according to Zimoja, Zoleka planned her last days right to the guest list, you guys. Now, the diary, which has been leaked to the media, in the diary, she listed the people that she did not want at her funeral or near her cold body, you guys. And now on the list is Thiri Bashala, who is the father of her two children, Leroy and Lekana, who is the father of her last born, Zingle. She also listed some people from the Mandela and Madikizela family, Zinande Mandela Senior, Mandla Mandela, Zukiswa Madikizela, Nsundu Madikizela, and Buyelekhaya Daliempofu. Zoleka recently revealed that she had been preparing for her death. She met with a family, a lawyer, and a therapist to discuss what life would be like for her children after she had died. She said, "It will probably sound strange, but I am in my panic stages. I think I am blessed and fortunate enough to be in a position where I am in my planning stages. I am having conversations with my loved ones, lawyer, therapist, and siblings to discuss what happens on the day after I pass away." Zoleka also revealed that she did not want to bother her siblings when she died, you guys. And lastly, you guys, in the diary which has been leaked, she had allegedly written, FYI, these men sexually abused me. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also, like, share, and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Bye.